Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ana Mustika from the Physics Education Department, University 19 November Kolaka. Here I will tell the story of a physical scientist to complete an assessment in a science English course. Welcome to my series. Here I want to discuss great physics. And the founder of physics that I took this time is that I will tell about Werner Heisenberg. Why I choose Heisenberg in this series is because, of course, he had great discoveries and was also an ambitious figure in the world of physics history.
Biography Heisenberg.
Werner Heisenberg was a renowned German physicist who immensely contributed to the development of quantum mechanics and the uncertainty principle. Heisenberg was born on December 5, 1991 in Würzburg, Germany. He came from an academic family. His father was a professor of medieval and modern languages, and his mother was a daughter of a prominent historian. This academic environment influenced his early intellectual development. Heisenberg showed exceptional aptitude for mathematics and physics from an early age. From 1920 to 1923, he studied physics and mathematics at the Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich under Arno Sommerfeld and Wilhelm Wien and at the Georg Augustus University of Göttingen with Max Born, and James Frank and mathematics with David Hilbert. He received a doctorate in 1923 at Munich under Sommerfeld. In June 1922, Sommerfeld to Heisenberg to Göttingen to attend the Bohr Festival, because Sommerfeld had a sincere interest in his study and knew of Heisenberg's interest in Niels Bohr's theory on atomic physics. At the event, Bohr was a guest lecturer and gave a series of comprehensive lectures on quantum atomic physics, and Heisenberg met Bohr for the first time, which had a lasting effect on him. Heisenberg enjoyed classical music and was an accomplished pianist. His interest in music led to meeting his future wife. In January 1937, Heisenberg met Elizabeth Schumacher at a private music recital. Heisenberg married her on April 29, 1937. They had 7 children. One of Heisenberg's most famous achievements came in 1927 when he formulated the uncertainty principle, a concept that revolutionized quantum mechanics. This principle states that it is possible to simultaneously know the exact position and momentum of a subatomic particle with absolute precision. This concept challenged classical physics and introduced an element of inherent uncertainty into the description of subatomic particles, fundamentally altering the way scientists understood the quantum world. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle was part of a broader transformation in physics that eventually led to the development of matrix mechanics and wave mechanics, which were later unified into quantum mechanics. Heisenberg, along with other leading physicists like Max Born and Pascual Jordan, played a vital role in the transformation. In 1928, Albert Einstein nominated Heisenberg, Born, and Jordan for the Nobel Prize in Physics. Heisenberg won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1932 for the correction of quantum mechanics, the action of which has, inter alia, led to the discovery of the allotropic form of hydrogen. Heisenberg also made contributions to the theories of the hydrodynamics of turbulent flow, the atomic nucleus, ferromagnetism, cosmic rays, and subatomic particles. He was a principal scientist in the Nazi nuclear weapon program during World War II. He was also instrumental in planning the first West German nuclear reactor of Karlsruhe, together with a research reactor in Munich. In 1957. Following World War II, he was appointed director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics. He then became director of the Max Planck Institute for Physics and Astrophysics from 1960 to 1970. Werner Heisenberg passed away on February 1, 1976, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of physics. His contribution to quantum mechanics and the uncertainty principle continue to shape the way scientists perceive the subatomic realm, and his work remains essential to modern physics. Heisenberg's life and career exemplify the power of scientific inquiry and the complex intersection of science, politics, and ethics in 20th century.
Theory of uncertainty. Heisenberg.
Heisenberg was one of the main pioneers of mechanics. Apart from that, Heisenberg is known for many discoveries during his exploration, and one of them is the Heisenberg principle, which was first published in 1927. Heisenberg's governing principle explains that we cannot know the position and speed of particles with precision or with absolute certainty. In principle, if we know everything about where a particle is, we know nothing about its speed. Whereas if we know everything about its speed, then we know nothing about where the particle is. When we think of a particle, we know that it is in one place. At any given time, we can depict it with a graph representing the highest probability of finding the particle in a particular place, visible during flashback. A speed means that the probability of finding a particle in the place is 100%, while being placed anywhere else is 0%. Therefore, rotating it will tell us the position of the particle with high precision. However, waves, as we know, do not exist in one particular place, but rather spread. It happens that when we talk about waves, we can pinpoint one place and say, "Hey look, hang out that where the wave is." Because a wave has high probability of being in several different places. Therefore, the hidden principle arises because everything in the universe behaves like particle and wave simultaneously.
Can't believe we reached the end of today's event. Maybe that's all I can say. Hopefully what I say can be useful for all of us. If I said something wrong during the event, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.